आपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः लक्ष्मीन्तनोत्तुनितरामितरानपीक्षम् अङ्घ्रित्वयं निगमशाक्यशिखाप्रवालम् हैरम्बवं पुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिक्रं विघ्नाद्विभेदशतधारधुरन्तरन्नः सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So we had looked at different forms of Shashti Vibhakti for all the endings. Now we will look at the exercises. So first exercise, yatra sambandhah drishyate tatra sambandhavaचकस्य पदस्य षष्ठी भवति. Esha Ramasya lekhani. So possessive noun. So where there is some possession or here sambandhavachaka shabda. His, hers. So that sambandhavachaka shabda, the person from whom that relation is created, that is going to have Shashti. So they have given an abhyasaha. Dilipah kaschana grihasthaha. Tasya bandhavaha adhaha nirdishtaha santi. Dilipasya itereshancha sambandham vakyaihi nirdirshayat. So there is Dilipa, and this person is Dilipa, and this Dilipa has all these relatives, and they have given that relation. This is his wife, this is his grandmother, and this is his brother, etc., etc., etc. That we have to put it into sentence. Dilipaha Govindasya Anujaha. So starting from here, starting from Govinda. So Dilipaha Govindasya Anujaha. So in the same way, Sridharaha. Sridharaha is Bhagineya. Bhagineya means sister's son. So here, what would be the sentence? Sridharaha. Dilipaha Sridharasya.
Sridharasya.
Sridharasya Bhagineyaha. So Sridhara's sister's son is Govindaha. They have given the arrow on this side. Astu. So that would be the sentence. Next, Uma.
Uma Sridharasya Jamata.
Uma is the mother-in-law.
Uma mother-in-law.
The outside ones must get Shashti.
Umayaha Jamata.
Umayaha Jamata. Next, Dilipaha Rama Devaraha.
Ramayaha Devaraha. Ramayaha Devaraha.
Ramayaha Devaraha. Then Nalini Agrajaha. Nalini's brother.
Nalini. Nalini Sridharasya. Nalinaha.
Nalinyaha.
Natyaha.
Sridhar Nalinyaha. Nalinyaha.
Nalinyaha.
Ikara anta, no? Nya.
Nalinya. Sridharaha Nalinyaha Agrajaha.
Yes. Next, Nandini. Again, Ikara.
Same. Sridharaha Nandinyaha Putraha.
Then Sita.
Sridharaha Sitayaha Pitrubhyaha.
Pitrubhyaha. Then Srikantaha. Avuttaha. Srikantaha.
श्रीकान्तस्य आवुत्तः
श्रीकान्तस्य simple.
What is avutta? Avutta.
Avutta. Avutta, even I have to check. Let me check. I still will do the next two, but then I'll just check. Devaki.
देवक्या श्रीधरः श्रीधरः देवक्याः देवक्याः पतिः
क्या?
देवक्याः पतिः
हाँ. Then Rohini.
रोहिण्याः
पौत्रः
Yes. Avutta is sister's husband,
अस्तु
brother-in-law.
जीजाजी जीजू
हाँ. So these are the relations. So Sambandhavachaka Shabdas usually get this particular Shashti Vibhakti. Astu. So that was the one exercise. And second exercise, Uchitaihi Shashtyantarupaihi Riktasthalani Purayata. Basically, they have given a word in the brackets that needs to be converted to Shashti form. That's all. Here, they have given all the Bahuvachana Shabdas. So we have to take that into consideration. We have to convert it into Shashti Bahuvachana. So, Dhanikaha, they have given dash Grihani Unnatani Bhavanti.
धनिकानां गृहाणि
Dhanikanam
उन्नतानि
Grihani Unnatani Bhavanti. Very good. Next. Janaha.
जनानां
जनानां रुचिः विभिन्ना भवन्ति. Next. बालकाः
बालकानां
कोलाहलेन
कोलाहलेन
अध्यापकः
अध्यापकः कुपितः
कुपितः. भवन्तः similar to this thing.
भवन्तानां व्यवहारः दृष्टः वयं सन्तुष्टः स्मः भवन् Is it भवतां भवतां व्यवहारं दृष्ट्वा भवत्सप्तः भवतां
So for Shishti, it changes for Bhavan Shabda. That is, I think when we
भवतां
भवताम् it should be no
Bhavatam. Bhavatam. Shashti is Bhavatah, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam. Actually, Panchami Bhavatah, Bhavatah is simple. Bhavadbhyam and this thing is similar. What we need to remember is for Shashti, Oho and Am is constant for all the Shabdas. Either it is Nam or Nam, but Am is similar. So, Bhavatam it is. Here that we have to remember. Bhavatam Vyavaharam Drishtva Vayam Santushtaha Smaha. So, this is Bhavatam. Then, Vayam Yushmat Vayam
अस्माकं
अस्माकं
हाँ,
अस्माकं कार्यालयः सुविशालः अस्ति.
no, you are seeing asmat, no? This is asmat only. Sorry, I was looking at Yushmat. Astu. Vayam. Yes, asmakam. So if it is this thing Yushmat Shabda,
युष्माकं
Yushmakam. That's all. That is the difference. Asmakam, Yushmakam. Then next, Bhavataha Kunchikaha. Actually, Bhavataha itself is Shashti Ekvachana. Bhavataha Kunchikaha Guchchaha Kutra Asti. Kunchika. Kunchikaha.
याः उच्चः कुत्र अस्ति? कुञ्चिकां गच्छ. याः
It is Bahuvachana. Kunchika.
कुञ्चिकां कुञ्चिकां
Kunchikaha. Kunchikam.
कुञ्चिकां
एषु दिनेषु वस्तूनि डैश् मौल्यम् अधिकम् वस्तूनि
वस्तूनां येषु दिनेषु वस्तूनां मूल्यम् अधिकम्.
वस्तूनां पठन् पठनं श्रवणं गमनम् इत्यादीनि पदानि भाववाचकानि इति उच्यन्ते एतादृशानां भाववाचकपदानां योगे कर्मपदस्य कर्तृपदस्य च षष्ठी विभक्तिः भवति सो देयर आर भाववाचक शब्दास usually when the karma and the kartrupadas when they join them the bhavavachaka becomes karmapada and kartrupada gets shashti when they join with bhavavachaka shabdas. Now I think bhavavachaka shabdas is we have seen it previously also, but we will look at the example over here. Udaharana रामस्य आगमने विलम्बः नास्ति रामस्य आगमने विलम्बः नास्ति. That is one expression, bhavavachaka, that means never late. So therefore, what happens? Ramasya, whose arrival is not late, Ramasya. Then pustakasya adhyayanena jnanam vardhate. Whose adhyanam are we talking about? We are talking about pustakasya. So that is the karma that we are doing. Adhyana. Again, the adhyayanena is which vibhakti?
तृतीया विभक्ति.
तृतीया
Tritiya. Let us see now. We've given one example again. Geetam dash shravanena aham santushtaha. Kasya shravanena? Geetasya. Okay. Next. योग्यः dash आहारः dash सेवनेन शक्तिः वर्धते.
योग्यस्य आहारस्य सेवनेन शक्तिः वर्धते.
Very good. Now yogya and aharaha, which is kartrupada and which is karmapada?
योग्यस्य आहारेण सेवने
No,
आहारस्य सेवनेन
no.
कस्य
Aharasya
आहारस्य
sevanena
सेवनेन
is correct. Both of them are Shashti only. So, because one of them is,
Yogya
ha,
and Ahara
आहार
both are karma padam
ha,
only
ha.
because they are they are Visheshan and Visheshya.
They are giving a
Shaktihi is
description. They
the
are giving a
Kartrupadam.
description.
Shaktihi Vardhate. Correct?
Ha.
That is
So,
the Kartrupadam.
ha, aharaha is going to be your what?
कर्म
Karma.
Karma padam.
By eating, what are you going to get? Okay. So aharaha is going to be your karma pada. Okay. Yogyaha, why yogyaha also is getting shashti over here? Because that ahara is the visheshana. Not every kind of ahara gives you shakti. Some paustika or whatever, eligible or nutritious food. For that they are saying yogyaha. So therefore they are saying योग्यस्य आहारस्य सेवनेन शक्तिः वर्धते विशेषण विशेष भाव therefore because of that even that is getting shashti over here so this is both karma padas okay then granthaha granthaha is which vachana
बहुवचन रचना
बहुवचन dash
Bahuvachan.
अध्ययनम् एव सरस्वती dash आराधनम
ग्रंथ
Granthanam
हाँ
Adhyayanam
हम्म
Eva
हम्म
Saraswatyaha Aradhanam.
आराधनम सरस्वत्याः आराधनम ओके नेक्स्ट सः विशेषः डैश
विषयः
प्रतिपादनं सम्यक् कृतवान् सॉरी विषयस्य let me say
विषयः
हाँ विषयः विषयस्य ओके अद्य प्रातःकाले कार्यक्रमः उद्घाटनं जातम्
कार्यक्रमस्य उद्घाटनं जातम्
कार्यक्रमस्य यस् भवान् शीघ्रं पुस्तकं डैश अन्वेषणं करोतु
पुस्तकस्य अन्वेषणं
पुस्तकस्य नपुंसकलिंग we get the similar this thing from akaranta pullinga yes next vastradi acha one more thing so Samskrita is a little more how do we say it is more developed so they have learned this special way they have a way of denoting certain kind of any kind of words one group of words if they find that there is similarity or if there is a group what they do they take the first pada sometimes the most popular word also and then they add adi to it for example any word it let us say we add adi to it ityadi this translates to etc they are saying so now vastradini vastra adini that means they're talking about all kinds of clothes all kinds of garments everything that involves in that okay so this is very widely used in many of the texts that we read granthas that we read like for example padarthas we have sapta padarthas so when they say we have the saptapadarthas, right? So there, what they do, they don't talk about all the seven padarthas. What they do, they just start with the first one, and then they start, they add what is this? Adi, Adi Shabda, and then they continue with their whatever vishleshanas, whatever Vishaya Nirupana that they want to do, they go with that. Like that.
Vastradini is ekavachana or a bahuvachana?
Vastra Adi becomes one. Adini is, you tell me now.
Okay.
Plural form.
Anyway, actually, what we need to understand.
Vastradina.
So anyway, what we need to understand, Adini is never plural. It is a group. You've heard of collective nouns? Collective nouns. A group of something. They say, a school of fish, like that. So Vastradini is actually a group. But here we have to take two things into consideration. There are more things in there, but what happens, it is one group.
So there it is, in English they consider it as a singular, no?
Singular.
Not plural. But here we consider it as plural.
Adini is always like that only.
Okay.
Astu. Yes, next one. Did we do this?
Vastradinam danena punyam labhyate.
Vastradinam danena punyam labhyate. Correct. Yes. Yes. Panditaha sada granthaha parishilanam karoti.
Granthanam.
Yes. Next. Karmakari patrani prakshalanam krutva griham gacchati.
Patranam.
Here nakara. R is there, no? Patranam. Then karnaha nirdhanaya kavacham kundalam cha danam kritavan.
Kavachasya
kundalasya. Both of them are singular. This nirdhanaya, which vibhakti is that?
Nirdhanaya is Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Chaturthi. So the meaning here is Chaturthi. Which usage they have given?
Danam.
Dana. Dattavan. I remember. Astu. The next one. Aham mulyankaha nanakani sangraham karomi.
Mulyankanam nanakanam sangraham karomi.
Mulyankanam nanakanam sangraham karomi. Next. We will do this tomorrow. It is 6 already. We will conclude over here. We finished 3 exercises. The next 3 we will do tomorrow. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।